4. Use of technology in fleet management. Technology has transformed traditional fleet operations into smart, data-driven systems that improve visibility, reduce costs, and enhance decision-making. A. GPS and telematics. Enables real-time vehicle tracking, route monitoring, and behavior analytics. Example: DHL uses GPS tracking to monitor shipments, ensure on-time delivery, and reroute vehicles in case of traffic jams. B. Fleet Management Systems (FMS). Software platforms like Geotab, Verizon Connect, and Fleet Complete manage fleet operations in one dashboard. Example: a fleet manager can view all vehicles' real-time location, maintenance status, and fuel consumption on one screen. C. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI helps in predictive maintenance, route optimization, and demand forecasting. Example: an AI system detects that a truck's vibration pattern suggests an engine issue and schedules proactive maintenance. D. Internet of Things (IoT). Sensors installed in vehicles track tire pressure, fuel usage, temperature for cold chain, and engine health. Example: IoT sensors in refrigerated trucks alert the fleet manager if temperature thresholds are breached, preventing spoilage of goods. E. Automation and robotics. Driverless trucks and automated delivery vehicles are being piloted for last-mile deliveries. Example: Walmart has tested autonomous delivery vehicles for local grocery deliveries to reduce dependence on drivers.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.